Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On this week's video, I'll be showing you how to create a DIY hair oil. This formula is specifically designed for those that have hair that is resistant to moisture. This also will help when it comes to growing your hair as well. So let's go ahead and get started. The first ingredient that I will be adding to my beaker is going to be avocado oil. This is great because it has a lot of fatty acids, which helps to retain moisture and breakage in the hair strands. The next oil that I'll be using today is actually not an oil at all. It's a wax, and it is called jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is great because it moisturizes the hair. It is packed full of different vitamins and nutrients that hair needs to nourish it without weighing it down. Another lightweight and easily absorbed oil that I will be adding is going to be argan oil. This is great because not only does it, again, moisturize and nourish the hair without giving it that weighed down look, but it also helps to make the hair strong. This next ingredient that I will be adding is going to be carrot seed essential oil. This helps to encourage hair growth, and it also helps with split ends and a dry scalp. Peppermint essential oil is now what I'll be adding. This is really great for any hair type, and the reason for that is because it helps to promote hair growth, and if you have any scalp issues, it's also good for that as well. So now that all my ingredients have been added, it's time to go ahead and stir this gently. I want to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated before I go ahead and package. So as I'm pouring my oil into my dropper bottle today, I wanted to share with you how you're going to use this on your hair. You're going to want to apply this to the scalp and gently massage it in. This can be used up to 3 times a week. So here is the formula along with any substitutions for this hair oil that was made today. I do want to mention that as far as an oil that I would advise against using, I would say coconut oil is that oil because coconut oil is really not good to be used on this type of hair. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.